The physical world is a joke. That's why humans reaching enlightenment end up laughing hysterically at the illusion. They are realizing how subtle and perfect the illusion they had created all along. God created man as its own image means that God created us as creators like it, the I Am. We are fragments of I Am, creating our own reality every second. I am a pain body, trapped emotions, beliefs, subconscious mind, soul blueprint, all working together to create this illusion. Everything is being affected by the observer, the I Am, which has been proven in the double-slit experiment. With others, we work in co-creation, emanating the perfect match vibration that the time-space, the quantum field, God, makes us meet the other creators that we can dance in our illusion for a little parcel of space-time, the matrix. You have a sub-program about fear of abandonment. You'll create a spouse that will love you deeply and then abandon you. You have a sub-program about ETs or mystical animals. You'll create channelers confirming your beliefs, channeling some of your guides from other planets, or you'll even start seeing them with your third eye. These things might be true or not. It doesn't matter. They are all entertainment, distractions for us to turn in circles and not to feel enlightenment. Life after life we come back. We forget who we are and wander trying to figure out our illusion. We try everything to make us remember who we are, a new life, a new country, a new soulmate, a new talent, a new personality, etc. All different specs, same results, so we come back. But we don't come on Earth to become enlightened, to raise the frequency of humans, to change the world. We come on Earth to be, that's it, to be human, to experience a physical body. That is the spark in the movie Soul by Pixar. Like Rupert Spira says, awareness of being is happiness itself. As simple as that. I am aware that I created the leaf falling from the tree slowly floating on my hand. Why did you created me posting this video?